I like the, when it's raining, sit there to hear the sound of the rain. And I like the, having tea in the space which can, a lot of sunshine come in. It can connect the house and the garden together. Very nice feeling, and my kids like the conservatory very much. After school, they just first place they are going is conservatory. Yeah. I found Conservatory Land from internet. I just search. Conservatory Land is, I think, maybe one of the leading company in UK in this industry. So, and I check their website. I use the builder. Yes, can choose some parts then build this style. I checked some prices. Conservatory Land is much cheaper than another one actually. Conservatory Land only half of the price. Then we decide to go ahead. Just a couple of weeks, they arrange installer to come. Very impressive. They are friendly, they're working quite efficient. They only spend 5 days to finish the whole work. So it's amazing. It's brilliant. I'm very happy and my family is very happy with the conservatory they built.